Once upon a time, in a quiet countryside, a kind farmer was walking near the edge of a dense forest when he discovered an eagle's egg lying alone in the grass. Feeling compassion for the fragile egg, he carefully picked it up and took it home. Since he didn't want the egg to be lost or eaten by wild animals, he placed it among his chicken's nest, hoping the egg would hatch safely. When the egg finally hatched, out came a baby eagle. But since the little eaglet grew up surrounded by chickens, it soon started acting like them. It scratched the dirt to find food, clucked loudly, and pecked around the farmyard just like the other birds. The eaglet never tried to fly, nor did it dream of soaring high above the trees like an eagle should. Days passed, and the eaglet watched the chickens going about their simple lives. It never questioned its place. It believed it was just like the other chickens, ordinary and earthbound. One bright morning, as the sun rose and painted the sky golden, a majestic wild eagle appeared soaring high above the farm. With its broad wings stretched wide, it glided effortlessly through the blue sky, riding the wind currents with grace and power. The sight was breathtaking. The farmer noticed the eaglet staring upward, eyes wide with awe. He approached gently and said, "You are not a chicken, little one. You were born to fly above these fields, to soar high and free. You have wings made for the sky." The eaglet felt a mix of confusion and fear. "But I am just like the chickens," it said quietly. "I don't know how to fly, and I don't feel strong enough." Seeing the hesitation in the eaglet's eyes, the farmer took it to the edge of a tall cliff overlooking the vast valley below. He encouraged the eaglet to spread its wings. The eaglet was trembling, unsure, and afraid of falling. Taking a deep breath, the eaglet gathered its courage and leapt off the cliff. At first, it faltered, flapping clumsily. But soon, it caught the wind beneath its wings and felt a new strength rising inside. Higher and higher it soared, gliding over the trees, above the clouds, free at last. From that day forward, the eagle knew it was meant to fly, meant to be powerful and free, not bound to the ground like a chicken. Moral of the story: we all carry inside us the potential for greatness, but sometimes our surroundings and beliefs hold us back. Don't let your environment or fears define you. Discover your true potential, have faith in your abilities, and dare to soar beyond your limits. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more inspiring stories.